And welcome to Viscount Leisure at Southampton. This Swift Sprite Alpine 4, it's a 2022 model. It's a lovely example of a compact, lightweight, 4-berth caravan. It comprises a lounge at the front which can be converted into a double bed, and also a fixed French bed at the rear. You can see it's got alloy wheels, television aerial, it has a stabiliser hitch, and it really is in lovely order inside and out. If you're not local to us, please phone us and we can arrange a video appointment with you so we can run through the finer details of this caravan specifically with yourselves. And also we're running a campaign with free delivery within a 150-mile radius of our premises at Southampton. So without further ado, let's have a closer look inside.